Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to another video. Before getting into the video, subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. It motivates me to make more videos. Today we are discussing about what is XPath in Selenium and how to find XPath and how to write XPath and what are the different types of XPath we have. First, what is XPath? XBar is a language. XPath is a language to locate HTML elements, XML nodes. XPath is a language used to locate HTML elements or XML nodes. By using XPath, we can use to locate HTML elements. What is HTML elements? We are dealing with web applications. While working on web applications, we use HTML elements. Especially for apps, we use XML nodes. Okay, we always work on HTML elements only. Okay, fine. So XPath is a language. Here XPath is categorized into two types. One is absolute XPath and second one is relative XPath. XPath is categorized into two types, absolute XPath and relative XPath. What is absolute XPath and what is relative XPath? Absolute is nothing but locating elements from the root HTML. Locating elements from root HTML is called as absolute XPath. If you are locating element from root HTML, it is called as absolute XPath. Locating elements from current tag or nearby tag is called as relative XPath. Locating elements from current tag or nearby tag is called as relative XPath. Okay, clear what is absolute and what is relative? If it is absolute, we are locating from root HTML. If it is relative, we can locate from current tags or nearby tags. To generate this XPath, we have multiple ways. We can write manually or we can generate syntax by IDE or developer tools. We discussed about how to generate syntax by IDE. Open, create a new project, give the project name, it is a user defined name, and click on OK. Give the command add selection, click on pointer and select the required element on UI. So in target we generated the syntax id equal to username. This is the one of the way to generate XPath. If we click on this down button, we can see id syntax, name syntax, CSS syntax, XPath syntax. There are multiple XPath syntaxes. This is the priority, which is first, ID is first. next name, next CSS, and next XPath. In XPath we have XPath attributes, XPath ID relative, XPath position. You can generate XPath by using IDE. It is a one way, and we can generate XPath from, and by using developer tools also we can generate. And this is the developer tool, right? And click on pointer icon. If the current tag or nearby tag ID having ID attribute, then it is go with relative XPath in developer tools. So first, how to generate XPath? Okay, first we discuss about how to generate XPath, and later we discuss how to write XPath. First, go to developer tools. First, checking the element source. Right click is disabled, then go with the F12. If right click is disabled, then go with the F12 button. Click on pointer icon and select the required element on UI. Then it is highlighted in element source in. Then go with the right click and copy. In copy it is XPath. Then click on XPath. Copy this XPath and paste it over here. Then paste it over here. See, we generated XPath by using developer tools. See, we are locating this label from root HTML tag. From root HTML we are located the label tag. To check whether this XPath is correct or not, you need to add one more slash. To check this XPath correct or not, copy this XPath and go to Selenium IDE. Paste it in the target field. Add selection, target field, paste it over what we have copied, then paste it over here and add selection, then search. It is highlighted on the UI. Okay. See, we are able to locate element. And one more example, google.com. I want to check this Gmail link. Go first, checking the element source, right click, inspect. It is surrounded by anchor tag. Why? Because it is a link. In general, if developer tools having ID attribute, then it is generated relative XPath. If it does not have ID attribute, otherwise it is going to generate absolute XPath. For this link, we don't have ID attribute. So this developer tool going to generate absolute XPath. Copy XPath and paste it over here. See, absolute XPath. It generated absolute XPath. Adding again single slash. We located the anchor tag from root HTML. Okay, it giving the order of the text, HTML body, div, last anchor tag. Copy this syntax and paste it over target field. Click on add selection, then search. See, it is highlighted in the UI. I am able to locate. In the same manner, I am going with another example. Check the element source, right click. Here it is having input ID equal to pass. Here it is having ID attribute, that's why it's generating relative XPath. It's going to generate relative XPath. Why? Because it is having ID attribute. Did you know the difference? Just copy and paste it over here. See, it generated relative XPath. It is not given the order from root HTML. It located from the current tag. Star is current tag name. Instead of current tag name, we can use current tag name as input. Let me check whether it is able to locate that XPath or not. Go with Selenium ID in target, paste it over here, search. See, it's highlighting on the UI. Can I replace this star with input? Yeah, by this also I can locate. It is highlighted on the UI. By this way, we are able to generate absolute XPath and relative XPath. How to generate relative XPath by IDE. Sorry. Go with command, add selection, target, go with the pointer icon, click on pointer icon and drag it whatever you want to select an element, select that element. See, both are same. Click the input. See, here XPath is same. Both are same. Yes, we are able to generate we have two types of XPath. One is absolute and another is relative. In real time, we use only relative XPath. Why? Because if absolute XPath is direct way to find the element, but the disadvantages of the absolute XPath is if there are any changes made in the If any changes made in the UI, then the path gets failed. Okay, just go with the example. If I generated with the developer tools, it's going to generate absolute XPath or relative XPath. It does not have ID attribute. Why? Because it is going to find relative XPath or absolute XPath. Absolute XPath. Why? Because there is no ID attribute here. Don't confuse in this. If there is no ID attribute, go with the absolute XPath. If there is an ID attribute, go with the relative XPath. See. Here you have to check whether it is correct or not. Copy it over and go to Selenium IDE. Paste it over target. Command add selection, paste it over target and search for that. See, it is highlighted in the UI. Daily this Google page is going to change, right? Before text field it is going to change. Here it is a text field. Before this text field it is going to change. That's why if there are any changes in this image, then the XPath will fail, right? If any special day, the image will change, right? They're going to change that image. That is why the major drawback of absolute XPath is any changes in the element's path, then the XPath will fail. So if there is any small change, the tags order going to change. That's why we are not using absolute XPath. Got it? If any UI changes happen in the elements path, then the XPath will fail. That's why we are not using absolute XPath in Selenium. And this is the whole video. What is XPath? XPath is a language used to locate HTML elements or XML nodes. And in Selenium automation, if the elements are not found by the general locators like ID, class, name, then XPath is used to find an element on the web page. Okay. XPath syntax is / tag name @ attribute equal to attribute value. What is /? It selects from current node. What is /? It selects from tag name. Tag name is the particular tag name of the particular node. What is @ selects attribute. What is attribute? Attribute name of the node. What is value? Value of the attribute. And the types of XPath, there are two types of XPath, absolute and relative XPath. Absolute is locating elements from root HTML. What is relative? Locating elements from the current tag or nearby tag. So this is how to generate XPaths and how to write XPath from developer tools and Selenium IDE. And up to now we are completed how to locate elements in Selenium. In next video we discuss about another locating elements. Until then, bye bye, see you.